Ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, but the idea of being on camera or editing for hours just isn't your thing? What if you could skip all that and still go viral? Picture this. Building a real YouTube business using only AI tools. No face reveals, no fancy gear, just your creativity and some smart tech. That's the beauty of AI and YouTube automation, your ideas boosted by technology. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to launch your own faceless YouTube channel. From picking a killer niche to uploading your very first video, all powered by AI. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, step 1. Pick your niche. What gets you fired up? What could you talk about for hours without getting bored? That's the sweet spot. Look for topics people are actually searching for and that you can make. No fancy camera or mic required. Need ideas for faceless channels? Try tech tutorials, chill music, motivational quotes, true crime, productivity hacks, or even animated explainers. Go with what matches your vibe and skills. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. See what's working, then put your own spin on it to make it stand out. Step 2. Check out what's trending in your niche. Which videos are blowing up right now? Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy to spot hot keywords. See what everyone's searching for. Jot down video ideas that line up with what viewers already love. That's how you get noticed faster. Step 3. Time to create your content with a little help from AI. For writing scripts, check out tools like ChatGPT or Claude. They can whip up intros, outlines, or even full voiceovers for you. For example, just ask, write me a 5-minute YouTube script about the top 5 AI tools for productivity. Then tweak the script to add your own flavor and make it pop. The AI does the heavy lifting, but your personal touch is what makes it shine. Step 4. Not a fan of using your own voice? No worries at all. AI has you covered. Try out tools like ElevenLabs, AI, or Well-Said Labs. They'll whip up super realistic AI voiceovers in seconds. Next, grab some royalty-free background music from YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay to set the vibe. Just like that, your video has a voice and real emotion without you ever saying a word. Step 5. Let's talk visuals. Use Pictory.ai, Canva, or InVideo to turn your script into awesome videos. These tools make slides and animations from your text in no time. Prefer editing by hand? CapCut and DaVinci Resolve are great, and you can always add stock clips from Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks to make your video pop. Step 6. Your video's ready? Awesome! Now, just hop over to YouTube Studio and get it uploaded. Give your video a catchy title, sprinkle in those keywords, add some tags, and design a thumbnail that makes people want to click. Canva or Thumbnail Blaster are perfect for this. Oh, and don't forget, add end screens and calls to action. That's how you keep viewers coming back for more. Step 7. Consistency is key. Try to upload every week or every other week to keep your channel growing. Watch what's working and double down on it. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or rack up 10 million shorts views, you're ready to start making money with YouTube. And that's it. You've just learned how to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI. It's quick, scalable, and perfect for beginners. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on YouTube automation and AI tools.